question 6. So here we want to integrate x to the 7 e to the x to the 4 plus 3 with respect to x. So the first thing you notice is that we've got an x to the power of 7 and the power of e is x to the 4 plus 3. So chances are this is going to be a substitution question. So if we take u equals x to the 4 plus 3, which is the power of e, and we then will want to differentiate it, which will give us 4x cubed. So we know that dx is equal to 1 over 4x cubed du. So let's substitute that in and see what it gives us. So I'm going to call this I. Then I is equal to the integral of x to the 7 e to the u times by 1 over 4x cubed du. So we can take this quarter out, and then we've got the integral x to the 7 over x to the 3, which gives us x to the 4 e to the u du. So now we're starting to get this a lot simpler. So what do we know about x to the 4? Well, we know that it is u minus 3. So we can substitute that in. U minus 3, integral e to the u du. And expanding that bracket, that gives us the integral of u e to the u minus 3 e to the u du. And we finally have it in a form that we can integrate. So if we split this up into two, move over here, two separate integrals, we've got a quarter of the integrate to u e to the u with respect to u, and then we're going to take away 3/4 of the integral of e to the u du. Du. Okay, so having a look at the left hand side, here we've got the integral of u e to the u, which we can do this using the integration by parts. So if we let u equals u prime equals 1, and v prime equals e to the u, v equals e to the u, and we have that the integral of u e to the u du is equal to uv, so u e to the u minus the integral of v u prime, which is e to the u du. So we can then integrate this u e to the u minus e to the u. And I'm not going to wipe out constant at the minute, I'll put the constant in at the end to simplify it. So going back over onto the left hand side here, we've got a quarter of u e to the u minus e to the u, take away 3/4 of e to the u, and here we're going to add our constant. So we can tidy this up a bit. If we take a quarter out of everything, u e to the u minus e to the u is u minus 1 lots of e to the u, take away e to the u plus c, which is equal to a quarter of u minus 2 e to the u. So here we have our integrated expression, but we've been asked for it in fully simplified form, and we were integrating with respect to x. So we've now lost all of x's, and we want to put them back. So if I write that u equals x to the 4 plus 3, scroll up, then we can substitute these x's back in. So that will give us a quarter. X to the 4 plus 3 minus 2 is x to the 4 plus 1, e to the u plus c. So a quarter e to the u, which is e to the x to the 4 plus 3. So the 4 plus 3. Oh, that should be a bit lower. Lots of x to the 4 plus 1 plus c. And that is our answer to the integral in fully simplified form.